Welcome back, guys, to Cheap Tool Reviews, where we review the cheapest tools from eBay, Amazon, AliExpress, Wish. I know we've been reviewing power tools, but we've kind of been switching it up a little bit so we can get, some of the home use tools. Not everybody needs power tools, so today we're gonna go with a different approach. I know last week's video we did like a bolt deburring tool, which of course did not work, sadly. But this time we got another tool, and this one's more for the DIYer at home, that's putting things up on their wall and whatnot. So let's open this up, guys. Oh, a bag in a bag. How did they get that in there? Okay. So this is, if it's correct, guys, if I'm hoping it's correct, because I don't know what's in the bags. If I can get it open. Oh yes, okay. This is a stripped screw extractor. So basically, if you mess up the screw head because you don't have the right drill bit on there and whatnot, and you strip it, this is gonna hopefully get this out of there. And this was actually the cheapest one on eBay. Cost like $6.50 or something like that. I can confirm, but well, you know what? Let's confirm for you guys right now so I don't keep you guys waiting. So this costs $6.59. And I mean, if it works, guys, it's worth it, honestly, because I've seen these tools go up to $25 at like Lowe's or Home Depot. So if this can compete with that and it gets the job done, then this is gonna be your choice of tools. So we got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 6 different bits that we can use here when you do decide to use it. And it's all greasy for some reason. No, actually, is it greasy? Just a little. It has like some type of coating, probably from when they machined it, and made it. But it is kind of greasy and sticky. So, and of course, I'm positive that different sizes for different sized screw heads. So we got this one here. It could be for different size, or it could be depending on how bad the damage is on the screw. Because I mean, I've messed them up pretty bad, and you can't take it out anymore. So we got 5. Maybe we'll grab another one so we can do it. I don't know. Like I said, guys, I don't know what's in the bags until I open them. So you guys see my legit reaction to it. So we're probably gonna get another screw so we can get every single one of these tested, see how bad we can strip the screw, and then of course, we're gonna try and take it out and see if there's a limit to what these can't do anymore. Because I've messed them up pretty bad to where it's just an indent. There's nothing left. So we're gonna see if this works, and if it does, then maybe it's worth it for $6. So I know the last 2 tools, guys, they've been complete fails. I'm hoping that this is actually a good one, guys, so I can actually use these tools, because the other ones haven't been able to use. So we're gonna get started on the actual testing of the tools, and then we'll go from there and see what type of damage we can do to it, guys. So let's get started on that. All right, guys, so we put all the screws in first. We decided to do that because it's gonna make a lot of noise, and this mic is real sensitive, so we'll get all that. But we stripped all the bolts already. So we're gonna, get started on actually extracting them. So we're gonna put it from least worst to the worst. All right, they're numbered, guys. And I got this smallest one right here on the drill already. So from what I've looked up on Google, you use this end to, I guess, try and kind of fix it. Then you use the side that looks threaded, that's gonna grip it and pull it out, supposedly. So we'll get started. Thought I broke it. Smoking. And remember guys, these are actually reverse threads, so you're going to be using the drill in reverse because you're trying to get a screw out. That doesn't even look like it's going to work. Yeah, I'm going to call this one quit already. It's honestly, it's too small for this type of screw, I'm going to guess. So we'll move on to the next one.
You don't got it in reverse.
It is in reverse.
Stripping it more than what it is.
Yeah, it looks like we're just stripping it even more. So, I mean, I guess we'll just keep using them until one of them at least grips. So, just keep on going. Let me see. Let me try something else. Oh, you know what? I'm going to try it on the same one. I don't think these work, guys. You know what? Let me try different. I'm just gonna go for the. That's too big. Let me try this one. You know what, guys? I'm not even going to keep trying to take all these off because clearly it doesn't work. I mean, I've tried, what, 3 of them already. I mean, I could go for this bigger one, but you know what? Let me see if I can somehow get this one to work. You know what, guys? I'm getting very disappointed in eBay. Selling tools that do not work. Clearly, this does not work either. It doesn't even, it's not even sharp to where it's gonna feel like it might, you know, kind of scrape some metal off of that. I mean, yeah, it was smoking, but for the people that have used drill bits, they smoke when they're not drilling anymore. So this was a short test. I mean, I wish I could have made it longer, but what's the purpose of going on if it's not going to work? So tool is going to have to be a no-go for me. It doesn't, you can see here on these, on the teeth of this, doesn't even feel sharp. This giant one here, same, doesn't even feel sharp. Not even the edge that will actually cut, doesn't feel sharp at all. So I'm gonna have to say, guys, that this tool doesn't work. Yeah, it was only what, $6.59 I said, which of course it's worth. I'm not saying it's worth it, but for the price, you know, I guess you can try it. Clearly it doesn't work, so I'm not even gonna, since we're inside already, we're just gonna go straight to the final thoughts on these tools. It's It's a waste of money, guys. Don't buy that. I mean, of course, I put all the links to the tools that I've bought in the description of the videos. So that's gonna be one, guys. Don't buy it. But I'm hoping these other tools get here by next week because I got some tools that I've never seen of out here in the United States. So they're coming from China, of course, guys. We're here to test out, cheap tools from eBay, Amazon, AliExpress, Wish, you name it, we'll review it. So if you guys have any tools that you guys want us to try, please put it in the description. I mean, in the comments, guys. Sorry, I'm still new to this, so I haven't gotten all that situated, but put it in the comments. And of course, I want to say thank you to the subscribers that we have right now, guys. We're at 30 subscribers so far, or just about 30. We're hoping to overcome that and, get some more views and people to actually watch these videos, because I know there's a lot of people that, don't want to break the bank on really expensive tools and, maybe get by with something cheap. But sometimes in some cases, we're going to have to spend a little bit more money. But for this one here, don't buy it, guys. But like I said, please like, comment, and share, and subscribe, and let your friends know, let your dad know, let your stepdad know that this is not a good tool, and don't buy it for him for Christmas either, because he's gonna see this video and he's gonna know it's no good, guys. So thank you guys very much, and stay tuned for next week's video, guys. Thank you.